What's up, guys? Hi, YouTube. Hi, everybody. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ebys'Lady, and I'd like to welcome you back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to be sharing 15 best hot trending e-commerce products that you can actually sell right now and make money. Sometimes online products sales decrease, and sometimes the sale increases. After holidays or after Christmases, sales normally decrease, and now we are heading to the mid-year. Right now, sales are going to be increasing. Summer is coming, different weathers are coming up, and people are going to be going outdoor right now and to be shopping mainly. So if you are into e-commerce products, e-business, this is the right time for you to start promoting and marketing your products so that you can be able to make some sales. And there are products that no matter how you post them, they are never going to fail. So you should be able to know your audience, know your target audience. You don't sell what you like to wear. You sell what your audience loves to buy. And that is the secret of online business. So right now, guys, let's dive into this video. The first product that is trending right now, that no matter how it is going to sell, as long as you have a good quality product of this particular product, is what? Skincare product. Skincare product, beauty products are definitely going to make you money. Personal care. A lot of people are actually, many people, whether all ages, everybody wants to look good. They need to use some of this skincare product. Personal care is to look good. Makeup brands are making money right now. So all you need to do is to find high quality products, good ones, so that's not when somebody uses something, the person will be regretting why he or she bought this particular item. So you should look for quality items to sell online for your customers. Perfumes are very, very good. They'll be making you money. Makeup are going to be making you money. White powder, teeth whitening products are going to make you money, guys. These are trending products that no matter how you do it, they are definitely going to make you money. The next item, number two, that is going to actually help you to make money right now is what? Baby products. Baby products. From January to December, people are giving birth to beautiful bouncing babies, and they need to take care of them. They like buying products, good products, healthy products that can actually make their children look good. From children toys, kids food, children carriage, children beds, children items. They are definitely going to sell. If you're looking for items to promote right now, go into baby items. They are definitely going to make you money. The next item that is actually going to help you to make money today, guys, is what? Phone and computer accessories. Phone and computer accessories are one of the trending products that can actually help you to make money. People need phone stand, people need computer stand, people need laptop headphones, people need power banks, they need wireless mics, they need different items, and you are the one that is going to sell it to them. They need phone covers, they need screen guards. Billions of people are using phone right now, and this is one of the trending products that no matter what is actually going to sell. And the next item that is going to make you money right now to sell are kitchenwares. Kitchenwares, kitchen utensils, they are definitely going to help you to make money on your e-commerce store right now. If you're looking for items to sell, whether people need iron pans, people need good ones, people need vegetable choppers, people need air fryer, people need blenders, mobile blenders, to be able to help them to do function in the kitchen very, very easily. These things are going to sell for you. Microwave, they are going to sell for you. So if you know where to get the items, search for the products and start promoting your items and start selling them. You will definitely make money selling any of these items. The next product that is going to make you money right now is to sell tech enhanced fitness products and supplements, and also health products. Nobody is joking with their health right now. People are exercising more, eating well, taking supplements, taking good health products. You understand? People need fitness outfits. They need smartwatches to monitor their calories and also check their BPs, trackers, and all of that. Dumbbells, treadmills, bicycles. All of these are selling right now. People need to sell, take supplements like vitamin C. They also need to take a protein powder. You understand? These are supplements that they are trending. If you have other supplements that you can actually market and promote it online or marketplaces, definitely you are going to sell them. Guys, another item product that is actually going to help you to make money is fashion products. There's no how that we can talk about top trending e-commerce products and we cannot talk about fashion products. Fashion products is one of the items that is going to sell for you. Fashion accessories, shoes, clothes, shoes are very, very good items that can sell for you right now. And fashion items like wristwatches, sunglasses, and jewelries are definitely going to help you to make money. If you know where to source some of these items, you can source them in China, you can source in Bangladesh, different places for you to be able to make money. These are times that people are selling, people are promoting, and they will make you money easily. And the next item that is going to make you money are pet products. Pet products, pet supplements. A lot of people, especially in America and Europe, they have dogs and they have cats, and they actually need to take care of these their items. And this is one of the items that is going to help you to make money. Pet products are one of the items that can actually help you to make money right now. And the next item that is actually going to help you to make money right now is hair care. Anything hair sells right now. Don't joke with hair. If you like that business, continue to promote your hair business. Whether it's hair cream, whether it's hair oil, whether it's hair extensions, whether it's hair wool, whether it's weave on, whether it's wig, any inches, whether it's hair tools, hair coiling machine and all of that, they are definitely going to help you. Hair shampoo, guys, these are going to help your hair business to grow, and this is actually making money for people. They are top trending products that is making money for people. And hair, from all ages, everybody wants their hair to be shining. You can see is a good product to actually promote right now. And the next item that you can actually promote right now that can be able to help you to make money right now is vehicle and motor parts. Right now, so many people don't even go to mechanic. If they know how to fix some certain things, they just buy some of these motor vehicle parts and fix it by themselves. So you can actually promote vehicle parts if you know where to source for your items and you know that this is what you actually want to go into, guys. Any other product that is actually making money for you, if you have not subscribed to my channel right now, guys, please use this opportunity right now to hit on the subscription button and subscribe to my channel, guys. And the next items that we are going to be talking about that is making money for people is interior decorations. Interior decor, home artworks, posters are one of the trending products that is actually going to make you money. If you know where to source for your interior decor, a lot of luxury homes, beautiful homes, they need all these things to equip themselves. You understand? And also artworks. Even people that are into print on demand, they can design some of these particular items and sell them. People will pay for it and download and go and print out on their own and design by themselves. This is actually helping people to make money right now. And the next items that you are going to sell are candles. Candles are very, very good right now. They use candle at homes. People use candle in their spa. People use candle in their restaurant to have this good, beautiful scent, guys. If you know that you can actually sell candle, promote them, look for the ones that are trending, good scent. Definitely, you are going to sell candles right now, guys. They are definitely going to help you to make money. Other item that we are going to be talking about, top trending products that is going to make you money in your e-commerce online business is what? Guys, think about it. Bottle wares, drink wares. People right now are drinking water. They are promoting good health. You understand? Federal Ministry of Health is promoting drinking water, and people want to, get their own water from their tumbler, from their bottle, and take to their offices, take to wherever they are going to. And they need these tumblers, drink wares to be able to take their water or any type of drink. And this particular product is actually making money for people, guys. And the next one is beverages and drinks. Good quality, organic, natural drinks. Wine, they are making money for people. If you know where to source them, you know the producers, this actually is going to help you to make money right now. This is our top trending product. There's no how you are not going to sell some of these items that I am mentioning right now, unless you don't know how to promote it. If you don't know how to promote and market your products, you can also go and learn. You can also take courses on how to promote, how to market items. And the next item that can actually help you to make money right now, guys, is to sell digital products. Digital products ranging from music, from movies, AI prompts. Thank God for Chat GPT. People right now are selling AI prompts, AI tools for people to use for their content creation. Any of these items are definitely going to help you to make money, guys. If you enjoy watching my videos right now, please subscribe to my channel, hit on the notification button, guys. It's a baby girl, a beast lady on the beat. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, and see you next time. If there's another product that you actually want to tell us about, please put it on the comment section so that other people can actually see this particular thing. See you next time, guys, and take care, and bye bye.